Here's a question on algebraic long division. In C3 there may very well be a remainder when we do this division, and so long division is much better than methods you may have used for C2. So what have we got? We've got 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 14. It's divided by x squared plus 2x minus 1. So the first step is to ask yourself, what do you multiply x squared by to make it 4x cubed? 4x squared times by something makes 4x cubed. That's 4x. That's because 4x times 4x squared makes 4x cubed. So 4x times x squared makes 4x cubed, but we don't just multiply 4x by x squared, it's 4x times all of this. So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times minus 1 is minus 4x. So now we need to see what the remainder is. Minus 5x squared take away 8x squared is minus 13x squared. 3x take away minus 4x, 3 take away a minus is the same as adding, so that's plus 7x. And then we bring down the minus 14. Now we go through the whole process again. What do you multiply x squared by to make minus 13x squared? Well, that's minus 13. So the minus 13 goes there. So then minus 13 gets multiplied by all of this. Minus 13 times x squared, and minus 13 times 2x, and minus 13 times minus 1. So it's the same as before. It's minus 13x squared. Minus 13 times 2x is minus 26x. Minus 13 times minus 1 is plus 13. And then as before, we do a takeaway. So minus 13x squared, take away minus 13x squared, that's nothing. It's the same here. 4x cubed take away 4x cubed is nothing. If it's not nothing, then you've done something wrong. So the first bit is always going to be nothing. 7 take away minus 26 is 33. And minus 14 take away 13 is minus 27. So the answer is 4x minus 13, and then the remainder is over what you're dividing by. If this is hard to remember, think about doing 41 divided by 10. How many times in 41? That's 4. What's the remainder? 1. What are you dividing by? 10. So the remainder, when you do 41 divided by 10, the remainder goes on top and the 10 stays on the bottom. So it's the same thing here. We had x squared minus plus 2x minus 1 here, and that's on the bottom. And that's this question completed.